All right, YouTube, what's going on? I'm installing this BuiltRight Industries molle panel, or they call it like a tech panel. It's made to go, it's pretty universal, but it's meant to go, like in this case, in my F-150, this is the center console lid. That's kind of where it's meant to go, and it gives you a place to mount molle accessories. I've seen guys do knives, flashlights, even like gun holsters, stuff like that. So, but what I want to do is make a quick tip here. If you have an F-150, mine's a 2018, so I'm not sure you know what they're all the same, but they have these clips here for your pins and stuff. What's actually really cool is you can clip that through the molle on this, and then it makes it really easy to drill your pilot holes, because you do have to drill 4 holes. And so it just kind of holds the plate in place, so you don't have to have another hand if you're doing this by yourself, and you can easily drill all 4 holes. So just a quick installation tip. There is no installation instructions with this, by the way, so you do need to drill a hole. I'm not sure what size bit this is, but I've been drilling with that. Just do it really carefully. You don't want to go too far up and out of your center console. And then you're going to use one of these screws, one of these spacers, however much you want to give space. I like the bigger ones. And you do have to buy this kit separate as well. It doesn't come with the molle plate. So, but yeah, once you get that pilot hole drilled, you can screw those in and you'll be mounted. So, but just a cool little trip. You can see it's not on this side because I've already done this one, but it's holding it in place for this next one if I just drilled. And once I get that side done, I'll swap it. And yeah, just a little installation tip on this. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.